Coconut is my favorite scent, so yeah, I know I'm gonna love this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today we're gonna do an unboxing for the Taliah Waajid's natural hair company. So send me a bunch of stuff and let's get into it. Oh, they're really generous. Okay, so I guess I'll show it to you guys one by one. So first is the Intense Moisture Bamboo and Coconut Milk Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. And next we have the Bamboo and Avocado Peppermint with Witch Hazel Dry Shampoo. Next we have Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Nutrient Leave-In Conditioner. Next we have, okay, so these two go together, so the Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Nutrient Shampoo. To go with the conditioner, okay, and next we have Green Apple and Aloe Nutrient Curl Definer. Ooh, I hope that picture's not backwards, but... Next we have Bamboo and Coconut Milk Shampoo, so this goes with the first line. Anti-itch serum. I don't know if you can see. Trying to show y'all the packaging. So here's some edge control that also goes with that line. And then some Bamboo and Avocado Conditioning Restoring Serum. So overall, they sent me 2 lines of products, so I'm guessing one is like more, oh, it's leaking, but so I'm guessing the Green Apple and Aloe is more of like the natural hairline, and then, oh yeah, it says, so that was more of the natural hairline, and this is more of the line for protective styles, which is perfect for me right now. Obviously I have a protective styling, and yeah, I'm really excited to use all of these, and thank you again to Taliah Waajid Naturals for the products. So I first came across this company as I was at the 2nd annual of her Legacy Conference for the WeBelieve network. So the WeBelieve network, it's basically a network of women of color who are mentoring middle school and high school age girls, and I'm really excited to be part of this network. A chapter just started at my university, Wayne State University, and we're actually implementing our program in about the next month. And so, as for mentorship, it teaches young women of color about education, economic inequality, leadership, how to navigate lack of opportunity and resources. And I'm really grateful and I'm really excited to be a part of this network. I'm grateful that I got to meet the founders, Chelsea and Akia. And I'm grateful I was also able to network with other members from other chapters across the US. Honestly, I think it's such a great movement. I'm really glad to be a part of it. I can't wait to see how far it goes.